Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today on the table, I've got our brand new set of LED taillights fitting your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now, these LED taillights feature a crystal clear lens with all of the LED side markers that you would find on a traditional factory LED taillight. Now what's neat about these is that they'll work with any Gladiator model or trim, even if you have the blind spot monitoring on a factory LED taillight. They include all of the bracketry, all the wiring in the back to be completely plug and play, and they are super simple to install. Like I said before, they will fit any trim model if you have a halogen taillight or an LED or even the LED with blind spot monitoring. We've got a 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon behind me that came factory with the halogen taillights. We're going to give a nice upgrade to it and install these and see how they look. Now if you don't like the clear lens, we also have them available in red or smoke, so you can really find one that matches the trim and the style that you're going for on your Jeep. Alright guys, the only tool you're going to need to remove the factory taillights is an 8mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove 2 of the screws on the inside of the bed here. Pull this out, disconnect the harness, and throw in your taillights in. There's going to be 2, one here and one right above it. Just go ahead and get these removed. Make sure you set them aside. We will be reinstalling them. And with those out, give it a firm pull, and the taillight will pop right out. Now the next step is to go ahead and remove your harness. You'll simply pull the red tab out and depress on the connector, and it'll pop right out, and we can set this aside. We don't need this anymore. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our right-hand side taillight. Now that we have the factory one removed, the only thing we need to do is go ahead and grab our plug and plug that into place. Now this other plug will just go in if you have the blind spot monitoring, and it'll be already done. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just clip that up into the factory location. You'll hear a small clip. Tuck the wires down into place. Make sure all the wires are tucked out of the way here. And just give it a nice firm push. It will hold by itself. Go ahead and grab both of your screws. I like to get them started in the hole just by hand, top and bottom. And we'll grab our ratchet with our 8mm and get these nice and snugged up. I do like to give the taillight a little bit of a push, just so they're nice and flush with the body. Snug the bottom one up. And get the top one tightened as well. And then we'll repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. Then we'll repeat this exact same process on the driver's side, but you can see just how easy it was. Literally takes about 30 seconds per side. Let's hop in the Jeep, we'll show you the functionality and see how they look. Well guys, that's a wrap on the installation of these LED taillights onto our 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. As you just saw in this video, it literally takes less than 1 minute to get these installed, and they look really great on the back end of this Jeep. The clear finish really allows that light to flow through here, and honestly I was looking back in the rearview mirror and the entire wall was lit up in the darkness here, so these are going to be a great safety feature as well. And they give you a modern, aggressive look, and they're going to work with all trim levels, including those with LED and even with blind spot monitoring. Now, if you want to check these out with a smoke lens or a red lens to better match your build or your style, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com, where you can find a wide variety of LED taillights as well as lighting options. If you want to check these out, be sure to visit the site, and until next time guys, I'll see you out on the trail.